It's so hot, madre mia, but now I know why people still wear wigs when it's so hot in Nigeria. Wigs are still the better option. Though I don't know how people wear wigs that, you know, spread across their shoulders like that. Me, I have to pack mine up like this so that it is not touching my body. Hey! This heat is real, oh. This heat is real, oh, man. I'm in Niger. Are you ready for the adventure? Are you? I know you are more than ready. You guys have been telling me, go to Nigerian market now. When will you go to Nigerian market now? I am back and lots of follow me is coming up. Let me show you my box. I'm packing here to travel to the east. See my box, oh, see my box, see my box, see my boxes, see my boxes. But I'm only traveling with this one. See my go-go. It's 5 a.m. We're about to leave now. All the way to the east, 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 to the east. Imana uza eje first tag like uzo onwe ka uza ha si wee kpakpa even onwe gi esi wee ga ije banyekwe nke aga side total okwe onwe ka ebe a dị just na aga straight ya funda na alien
aga straight na ga if not this year
obo my two
okay, that's my two actually. They drove for the police was straight.
And they ever na they can get this straight one because this one the smaller. Good morning, guys. It's me, Flo, on a road trip from Lagos, Nigeria to Onitsha in Anambra State, also in Nigeria. This is the map of Nigeria, and we are traveling from here all the way to here. So our journey of 450 kilometers starts right now. Our plan is to do no more than 100 kilometers per hour. There are lots of police checkpoints, customs checkpoints, road safety checkpoints, army checkpoints, road work going on the road. They're always fixing a part of that road. All these cause massive delays, but we don't care. We get there when we get there. I'm traveling with my brother and his family, and we hired a Sienna bus for the journey. So, of course, we also have the driver of the bus with us. We'll be chatting on the way, talking politics, saying a lot of things.
Lagos
that is because nobody does in those days.
First tag from Amam was more on the world.
Picking up till now in the places like
by neighborhood, huh? Mana like express like that. Imabani, you have moteba. You have from what? Manumu imoba. Or imesuru lere.
I cheap more than a leaky. You got to buy a one. Still got a name it to hold up.
One or two.
We can meet
before he ended Agbor on that island, like side in Ijebu before.
When traveling to Igbo land, that is eastern Nigeria from Lagos, it is best to set off at dawn. So we left at about 6 a.m. I'll try to speed up some parts of the journey without taking away the fun of it. You can speed it up further from your own end using the YouTube settings in your video. If you're not sure how to do that, let me know in the comments, okay? Let's go! We're leaving Lagos now. This is the outskirts. Thank you, Lagos. Thank you, Lagos. Oh, APC advert.
Southern Nigeria, Tinubu and the rest are doing their work here.
This is Lagos Ibadan Express. Straight to Ibadan, this road. Traffic on Lagos Ibadan Express. So, what is causing this traffic, Oga?
Maybe.
Eh?
If there
the construction.
Maybe no, I don't think there's construction here. We have not seen any sign of. I think maybe it will be an accident or something like that. The next village is on A4, only 10 liters earlier.
Yeah, me pamuta akatade.
Happy about reserve.
No reserve, cause
any reserve. Okay, what shall I go?
Yeah.
I'm gonna my banana nipka. I'm going 10 liters. When can I let it get?
145. That's NNPC. They're 143.
Yeah, 3 naira difference.
And one they had the Abaka driver and Henning where one Henning was four. Maybe get about 4. You got there's even keep about 50 liters. Oluta hore. Obuna Nobu.
Oh, good it in.
Intimidation.
No speed. Nigeria. I watch on this road. Survival of the fittest.
Everyone was small construction. If for sign, people can for sign. They maintain all this lane. Man, I'm on now. They maintain all the lane. I don't know this. He culture
the government. Man, simple obedience.
Yes, you are a good citizen. You obey a simple traffic law or your government in a place. But the same government now know the road, so you use all this road.
Audio.
Yeah, you did university. I don't know
Look at that glorious sunrise. Oh, when you met down the manager actual NNPC specifically. Oh, no, let cheaper stand. I'm a roll.
I'm not to come here.
Well,
okay, you can start again.
But I'll start up. Straight is Ibadan. Go right, you're going to the east. That's Ibadan. East. Benin, Itodo, everything. make him here 3 lanes. Habia Lualia, look we are 2 lanes, so Hagahalia, you know, so Tabakana Alolia, the Galo Loza. 3 years. Alolia. It's 10 years, I think it will be 3 years. Aloza.
Under PDB, Lagos area.
Shagamu, we have. Shagamu. You know, in those days, when you're going to Lagos, one day shout, Shagamu, you find Lagos. Obia, that's okay. Because if I from Shagamu Anua to Benin Ajab, so you watch a house, you could too. In a Muzab, no, the pothole, not in here. I don't know how the pothole. And on my pothole, many pothole have to have a book, or meaning I had just to be a taquasi and you know, I don't know how that is. Okay. Why behind this is okay.
This woman, our roads, they are suffer too much. Our roads are quality, you know. The traffic usage,
they high for the road. Just
now.
Makomoto they use here. However, so 2 lanes for decades.
Trucks now, over the moons are in a day. Where you get, you go over here now, all these smaller countries in 1 month.
Yeah.
So, I need the legacy about Gabini, John. So, the majority of the heavy
loads are boring.
The passengers can't just take a decision.
Still, last minute or whatever. An effect from all directions. Eh? Abi, God, what speed? We do that, Josonga.
I like it, what speed?
And one place where I walk the Benin City, one break I had to go to here.
Any police take a point.
Oh, we got our personality of Bella. I have a fellow. So every day, no, in Nigeria, the next day, next week.
I'm very chicken.
Hey, but me all jet down.
Okay.
Okay. Moto
by me, I had a coffee.
Oh, yeah.
And no speed,
no speed, Ojibe. Luxury knows are complete, no? So browser and night. So no more the kind of one night.
So maybe the last time was moved.
What can I make you go now?
So night can
Gura.
Okay. My wife is cheaper. Logs is supposed to be cheaper than all these small vehicles.
But all day, huh?
And you can buy you can motor see Ijebu City something passengers.
Yes, when I the same amount.
Higher itself. Higher. One was like I go to Ghana
8,000.
5,000.
Wow. 8,000.
Like God is good, and 5 kids.
To make your sense, when they use this are the more economical. What do they put it?
So something
they require attachment. Ghana have a driver. Gas is in a car have a driver, but at least you keep going to a company.
So I see no reason I get the more expensive than regular motor.
You can come with one name we have. Hey! Madre mia! Hey! Eh? Often can they say, I get on Sissy.
Why would I have to get out? They got a hair to see me next year. I will get that.
The one which up on my motorcycle. Hey! Now, see how for these people. And now I try go.
I hope now I go maybe 20,000.
So awesome.
Oh, I can't carry. Okay, I get to
but only when this bicycle now, it's doing it. On my note, I can get to a bicycle away now because someone want to make it a bicycle I got to and hand you maybe now.
I get now.
Oh, my where may your way be?
Only I would have just get all this with
Ijebu Ode. Hey, by right. You buy left or Olo Ajan and do it. Kenka is just like this side. Okay, God. Okay.
Another right, you know, all the Congo need before signing any of them.
Yeah, one accident. Plantain chips. This is normal Lagos snack, Lagos road snack. Hey, the guy. Very busy road. Woo. So many vehicles, not enough road. They are building the road. This road, Alucha. Every time they are building roads. Every time. The maximum speed limit 50. Hey, you're not done much. What do they obey when you say?
as far as I'm concerned, this is the best way to travel to my village because my village is not close to any airport. If you fly to Enugu airport from Lagos, you still need to travel back like 1 hour or 1.5 hours. If you travel to Owerri, you still need to travel a lot of distance to go to my village. Because if you fly to Asaba, I mean where the airports are right now, if you fly to these places, you still travel a long distance. Asaba is the closest, but it's not popular, right, Oga? Asaba airport is not a popular route, so maybe you have one flight a week if it goes to Asaba. I don't know how often flights are there, and with what I am reading about Nigerian flights on social media, the delays, everything, I'm not ready to risk that. Best thing to do is to hire a Sienna with a trusted driver like the man carrying us now. And he will take you, he will come to your house very early in the morning, pick you, drop you in your hometown in no time. Yeah, I mean in a few hours. Safe and sound is the most important thing. And so quick camera before nalum phone. Even less at your one and a leg. Yeah. Another checkpoint. After it's not even up to 1 kilometer. You see, they stopped the man again. Hey. You pass customs, you pass police, you pass Mopol, you pass road safety, all of them. According to the driver, just half an hour to Ore. Ore is a very popular place, no? For drivers to stop. Bathroom stop, lunch stop, everything stop. If you want to buy anything, plantains, yeah. I'm going to force if I say about 120 places in here. Eh?
Yeah, I'm going to make it here. Come on, on throttle, on obviously. Obviously. Never get Jackie when I'm
hey! Okay, yeah. Oh, to oppose our question. From Lagos. Oh, yeah.
Just near 6 months. Many people are like it, motor Hana. Because I have some of the government. Okay, if you see traffic and all that.
I have my own Toto. Hey, let me see this thing. This thing now, Mimi. Come now, make I show. Why are you running now? No, I'm not showing you your face. I want to see this thing. This thing is a Mimi. Oh, boss. Hey, hey, timidity. Hey, if I snap you, what will happen? Hey, people are so timid. Each is a mad, it was in a but I know how to mess you. Yes, I can set the mimi. Only can you focus all the thing on the mimi. Because what the good thing for the mimi. It's not going to be here. Checkpoint.
Let me check that.
I need to check it when you're going to be good. Normally, check also the good time. I have a slow mother down.
I ain't got you, I got proof. Go for Okada. Give one a bit. The bypass.
This is Ore. The famous Ore. Where all the vehicles, the public transport vehicles that go to the east, stop over for bathroom breaks, lunch, whatever. Bobo Tibo.
God is good.
This is where we're going to stop.
When I'm wearing a money, the culture.
Okay, the woman case no young with filling station. When
You know, never
now wow. That's where they sell fruits, plantains, suya, anything you want. This used to be a buka restaurant, but look at now. The woman now has a big bungalow here, a filling station, that's a gas station for those of you in the US. So we're eating. My brother and his family are eating gari and egusi soup. Me, I'm eating meat pie. This meat pie has too much pepper in it. Look at it. It has too much pepper. I can't even eat it. Not tasty at all. And then with this 5 Alive drink. Pulpy. This is Ofos. Ofos. The last town in Ondo State. We are approaching Okada. Okada, the origin of the name Okada, calling of motorcyclists Okada. Ibinedion is the owner of Okada Airlines, and because the motorcyclists that are used for public transport, they fly like airplanes. So people started calling them Okada when they first came out. Okay, this one goes to Ibinedion University. Who is an alumnus of Ibinedion University? Okada. 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 Ibinedion University, Okada. We are approaching Benin City. See what they're doing.
If we are from here, Abuja is 455 kilometers. Asaba 161.
So this is Benin bypass. If you're going to eastern Nigeria like Anambra, Enugu, it's better to take this bypass to bypass the city center. If you go into Benin City Center, there's lots of traffic, and yeah, so this road can I look at 2001. 2001. Before 2001, 2002, people were suffering. If you're going to the east from Lagos, you come here, go into Benin City before going to the east. Yeah.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.
If you go straight, you're going to worry. But we turn here. Left goes inside Benin City. And right to Onitsha. We're going to buy bread here. Snails. Chin.
Snail. 3,500.
How much?
3,250. 3,250. That's what we said. 6,500. Snail, yeah. So not follow me buy anyone. Driver. Not see follow me buy one.
Take 6,500. No, I know 1.6, madam.
Snail, yeah.
What's not 250? 250.
For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in
Goodbye from Edo State. We're entering Delta State. This is Delta. This is Agbor.
But that never been. That on China, that's it.
be na Asaba now. So Asaba Abiolu.
On your squad, thank God.
I did what too. Sometimes on our hat on or how would you?
All these things about they need the image.
Don't need the image
because about the steep. We're going down and somebody's obstructing the downward.
This month, Okada no, but I never be improvement.
Asaba Airport. Okay.
Because
the wrong way, yeah.
Get that last one man
goes as a picture like this. Who's that? In Pochachazi, you too. Actually, Megan. Okay, course, yeah. Any vehicle with a blue and white color is a commercial vehicle. The buses, the keke, the tricycles, the taxis. Look at the tricycle. In Nigeria, every state capital has its own color for commercial vehicles. So this is the color for Asaba. Asaba is the capital of Delta State. Look at that one. Look at that bus ahead of us. On ABC we have, no? No, Onitsha. If you see the very built up area there, that's Onitsha, Anambra State, the London of Anambra State. Look at it, can you see it? Up above, I can't go higher. I can't go higher, but can you see over there? Over there, that's Onitsha. Across the river. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh. Can you see the Niger Bridge? There's Niger Bridge over there. Niger Bridge. See Onitsha. Oh, I just go high like before. We're still in Asaba though. We're still in Asaba. The bridge. Look at the bridge. The long bridge. There used to be a toll gate here. By this time. And Hakolo knows about Hana Park. Hakolo knows. How the Monday is you? Camera, man, I hear me talking here. Welcome to the land of progress. Igbo land. Igbo land. Our journey to a life of progress. No means welcome. That's the Niger Bridge. And that's the second Niger Bridge over there. Can you see the pillars over there? And that's the river. And that's Onitsha. Over there. That's main market. Main market is over there. Ose is over there. GRA is over there. 33 is over there. And that's the bridge. This bridge is how many years old?
This bridge was constructed
after the war. 1970.
Actually, it was not a new construction. It was
after it was blown up during the war, right?
Yes,
so this one is what we have now. It was built in 1970, and that's the only bridge connecting the eastern Nigeria and the rest of the country. They're building the second one that they don't want to finish. They've been building it for years. So welcome to Onitsha. Onitsha, where our Igbo brothers are killing it. I'm there in checkpoint after this bridge, okay?
You can cross our bridge, police in Anambra State.
Let's go to North Benin City, the line there. Our time you got let's go up by cross chassis. Time I did not travel.
Look at Onitsha, not Asaba. Asaba na zetu au depazeka, you know, is easy far.
Oh yeah. Time all you take is it. Oh yeah. I'm on so one line. Because the motor na have you to mean in a traffic it the other side.
Block going
Hero. Okay, Hero Brewery. Wow. Can I feel you relief what that is labor? Abada. Yeah, Hanos na Williams.
And the
Williams no na main market. Just labor. Oh lo.
All the very good for
them. No, this is called the best target.
All the best, all the just on the road.
I should tell her like in Dana today now by side.
Oh, good Charana.
He na dey self for me because Makeba federal on this place. We vote about under the state government. Because from river, some
gap you were saying.
In Nigeria because of the factory Hero Brewer. Because they were another go.
So come up on the Williams up together. Ah yes, na main market I'm not touch as no touch. Hania? Hania? Come with the camera.
I can see.
So I am a loppy worker.
By loppy worker.
Can be choice.
I see by now. I see
on Kaya Delegan so.
Everybody can see. But I just see loppy worker.
Oh yeah. Traffic worker. Okay. I see by now. Okay, guys, we are going to stop here because we are going into Onitsha. We're going to buy something.